Hi everybody, welcome to Factory Lightweights of Stuart, Florida. My name is Chris, the shop foreman, and I'll be walking you through our showroom today. We're constantly updating the building and inventory, so it seemed like a good time for a video. Immediately inside is our low mileage 2008 Dodge Viper GTS. This 960 mile example is for sale with detailed ads on our Facebook and website. Coming into the main showroom, we see two legends in Dick Landy's and Dave Strickler's 1965 altered wheelbase Dodges. Both equipped with 426 Hemis, Landy's has an automatic, while Strickler's is a 4-speed. To our left, we have a variety of Mustangs from different generations. Starting with an unmodified 2003 SVT Cobra with only 17,000 miles, a 2013 Boss 302 Laguna Seca edition with only 634 miles on the odometer, and the record-setting 1966 Gas Ronda long nose drag car equipped with the rare 427 cubic inch Camry V8. Moving on to some more 60s era cars we have on offer here is the 1965 Dodge A990 with all its correct lightweight parts. This example has the 426 race Hemi with an automatic. Next to it is a 1960 Pontiac Catalina restored by Scott Tiemann of Supercar Specialties. A 389 tri-power and a 4-speed make this a great straight strip car. Over here, a fully restored 1964 Ford Thunderbolt that still retains its original fiberglass parts with a correct 427 cubic inch engine and a 4-speed. Here is a 1960 Ford Starliner equipped with a Hypo 352 and a 3 on the tree, great showroom floor example. In this corner, we have some special 1965 GT350s, 5S003 and 5S477, both of which will get their own videos in the future. This is our Shop Shelby clone we take to track events, more on that another time. Our latest acquisition that we are offering for sale is this gorgeous 2013 Striker Red Viper. This beauty will be getting a full video of its own as well. Over in this corner with our PBIR tribute are a few more rare drag cars. First is this 1963 Pontiac Tempest Super Duty wagon, which of the 6 originally produced, this is the only survivor. Also restored by Scott Tiemann, it has a 421 cubic inch SD motor with a unique 4-speed semi-automatic transaxle in the rear. Lined up with it is a 1962 Ford Galaxy lightweight drag car. This car came with special fiberglass and aluminum parts to drop weight, along with a 406 cubic inch engine with 2 4-barrel carbs. One that stands taller than the rest in the showroom is this luxurious 2002 Lincoln Blackwood. Really more of an SUV than a truck. We have a full ad with videos on our website and Facebook. A wolf in sheep's clothing is what you get in this 1961 Ford Fairlane 4-door. A Hypo 390 ordered with the optional triple deuces get this car up and going faster than most would expect. That's it for our quick walkthrough today. We are open to the public for inquiries and tours. Also, our facility is available to clubs and charities for events as well. We do ask that you call ahead and schedule your visit. We are a small business with only a handful of employees. Thank you for watching, and for more info, just Google Factory Lightweights to find our website and Facebook to contact us.